that said, owning a boat, the work is never done. Today we're just going to go through a very simple little improvement we made. Just improving the look of the dash panel on the lower deck, and we'll be doing the same on the upper deck once the weather improves a little bit. But this takes away a very dated aluminium dash panel and makes a big improvement. We might make a start on the instrument panel, changing that over. Got some carbon fibre vinyl wrap which will go on. I have some white on black labelling tape to go in my labeller, so we can produce new labels to go onto that. I also have some burr walnut wrap, and I'm undecided whether I'll do the central portion in burr walnut, so we'll have carbon fibre either side, or whether we just do the lot in carbon fibre. I'll work that out as we go along. So we've got to start work now on the dash panel and just taking this aluminium away. First thing is to remove this, and then what we're going to do is it's a tight fit under there. There we go. We've got to label up all of the switches. So those two already done. Just got to work through the rest of them, and I've got a load of little labels all made up, ready to go onto the switches. So that's the first task. So there we are. All the switches are now labelled up, so I can now safely take those off, and then we can clean that panel up. And so there's the switch panel now carbon fibre. I would estimate the cost of doing these two panels is about £1 and a bit of time. There we are. 2 carbon fibre panels either side, and a burr oak instrument panel. Now that looks a lot better than the aluminium, slightly corroded, that we had. A bit of a rat's nest behind all the instruments, but we'll get that sorted at some point.
Ah, so that's what you mean.
You what?
That's what you mean. You're not going to sell the boat as soon as you get all the bits done. And you said, yeah, well, I'll find other things to do. It's sorting out the rat's nest wiring.
Yeah.
And then you'll sell the boat.